So much to get to and so much good news regarding Tropical Storm Erika. Throughout the day, we've been seeing Erika weaken, we've been seeing the forecast track change, and almost all the information that we've seen from the National Hurricane Center has been pretty good news for Southwest Florida. As of right now, the center of Erika is actually over land, so it's right about here, although it's a poorly defined center. Winds are at 45 miles per hour. Officially, it's about 800 miles away from Southwest Florida. Actually, officially, 806 miles away from Cape Coral. But it's a storm that the National Hurricane Center thinks is going to lose a lot of its tropical characteristics here as it stays over the island of Hispaniola and maybe even goes over Cuba. A lot of mountainous terrain in both of those locations. Now, here's the official forecast track, and I'm going to let you look at it and kind of digest it. As you see the forecast track, it really hasn't changed all that much from the one we showed you at 5 o'clock. It shifted a little bit farther to the west, a little more into the Gulf of Mexico. And yes, according to this official forecast track, we still have a weak tropical storm very close to Southwest Florida on Monday. Now, this is the track that's been issued by the National Hurricane Center, but in their discussion that was issued just about 15 minutes ago, they said there is a very good chance that over the next 12 to 24 hours that Erika is going to lose a lot of its tropical characteristics because of strong upper-level wind shear and also because of the interaction of land. They said that there is a small, and I'm quoting them, a small possibility that Erika, what's ever left of it, when it gets out to the Florida Straits and then out to the Gulf of Mexico, a small possibility that it could regenerate as a tropical storm. Having said that, I'm sure that they're erring on the side of caution, keeping it a tropical storm in the Gulf of Mexico, making its way up toward the Florida Panhandle. So since we're still in the cone of probability, we have to take this one seriously, but they also said there's a very good chance that in the next 24 to 36 hours, this could be downgraded to just a tropical wave or maybe just a trough of low pressure. Here's the way the upper-level winds are going right now. Over the island of Hispaniola and over Cuba, you see that the areas of green and yellow, that's pretty good wind shear. As a matter of fact, the yellow is what we like to see. That's why we have some of the stronger wind shear. We were more concerned earlier when the forecast track took it to the Bahamas. Remember a couple days ago? That's where the upper-level winds are almost non-existent, extremely light. The farther south it stays, the stronger upper-level winds, and that's a good thing for Southwest Florida. Here's another good thing. We've been seeing this throughout the afternoon into the evening. This afternoon, almost every computer model took it to the state of Florida. Then as we got to the later afternoon and evening, the models were trending it into the Gulf, and now a few very reliable models actually have it dissipating here in the next 24 hours. We love to see that. Here are your current conditions. We're at 75 degrees with humidity at 95%. Let's take a look at the Zoom Tan Sky Cam because that's a look at the marina at Cape Harbor, and I actually have a couple of good time lapses. I want to show you one of them. This is the sunset in Charlotte Harbor, which actually was pretty nice this evening. We had some leftover cloud cover from some showers and thunderstorms that developed in the late afternoon and evening. We're going to be on the wet side, I think, Saturday and Sunday. It's going to be mainly late afternoon, early evening rain, fairly typical summertime stuff. Easterly winds right now at 7 miles per hour with humidity up at about 95%. Using the power of 4 Doppler radars to show you that Southwest Florida is almost dry. Some showers for Clewiston, and that's about it. We had some showers that were affecting central and southern Collier County. Those have dissipated. So tomorrow, mid to late afternoon showers and thunderstorms with the sea breeze being held right close to the coast. This is the way it looks in the morning. Mainly dry for Southwest Florida, but look what happens in the afternoon as the sea breeze kicks in. Mid to late afternoon, bingo. That looks pretty wet. Pretty typical summertime stuff, although the showers and thunderstorms actually going to be a little more numerous Saturday and Sunday than usual. Chance for rain both days at about 60%. Power 4-zone forecast, inland zones. It's going to be hot for you, mid-90s. Numerous afternoon showers and thunderstorms for Immokalee, LaBelle, Arcadia, and Palmdale. Harbor zones, chance for rain for you, also at 60%. Numerous late afternoon showers and thunderstorms for Venice, Northport, Rotunda, and Port Charlotte. Coastal zones looking good till about 3:30, 4 o'clock. After that, numerous showers and thunderstorms could contain some heavier rains. A couple of them actually could be on the strong side, too. Beaches, get up early, enjoy the morning and early afternoon, then get inside because you're going to be getting wet, especially right around dinner time. I think that's when the beaches are going to get the wettest. Easterly winds for the boaters Saturday and Sunday at about 5 to 10 knots. Seas anywhere from 1 to 2 feet. We'll have a light chop on the bay and in the waters. Chance for rain 60% both days this weekend. Monday and Tuesday, well, Erika keeps changing, so we're going numerous showers and thunderstorms. There is a chance that we actually could be getting a little bit drier, and our chance for rain definitely does go down by the end of next week. That's a look at your Storm Patrol forecast.
All right.